Hi guys, so good evening, welcome back to my magical world. I am Frostbite and I cannot discuss with you anything like tonight because I'm out with friends and I think I'm just going to to tour you here. So later I'm gonna yeah. So my friends are here and it's been I cannot film properly, guys. But later on, I'm sure I'll make sure that next day I'll make sure that I can discuss things with you again. Right now I'm having the time of my life. So yeah, it's so windy here, and I'm here in somewhere in it's away. I cannot tell you the place because it's not safe to tell you guys. So yeah, I'm out and yeah, be safe guys. Yeah, I just want you to enjoy life also. So I'm gonna tour you here like later in the morning, so I'm just gonna add like the whole video. So yeah, have a wonderful day guys, and good evening, good morning wherever you are in the world. So see you again guys, bye bye.